Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix a Roblox memory dump error PC. First of all, click on Windows search bar from the bottom left corner of the desktop. Then search for settings in here and click on it. Once you get into the settings, click on Apps and Features. Now search for Roblox Player in here and click to uninstall the Roblox Player from here. After that, get back to the desktop and search for Roblox Player here. Then click to open its file location. Once you get into its file location, right-click on the Roblox Player and choose to delete the Roblox file. Now search for Run in the Windows search bar. Pass the command in here as system.cpi and click on OK. Then from the System Properties, click on Advanced option and go into Settings of Startup and Recovery. Now you need to choose the Complete Memory Dump option from Debugging Information and click on OK. Then you need to open up the System Settings and click on Apps from the settings. Now search for Roblox in here. You can uninstall the game. Lastly, restart your system and then your problem will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.